Idle detection can be a game changer when it comes to keeping your logs clean. And today, I'll show you how to use idle detection effectively to manage your logs in this quick 3-minute tutorial. Whether you're managing servers or simply need cleaner logs for your software, knowing when to clean up inactive sessions can drastically improve your log efficiency. Stick around because I'll also be sharing a free trial to the software we'll be using at the end, exclusively for viewers of my channel. So, why does idle detection matter? Well, when users or systems become inactive for a period of time, their logs can clutter your system. This can create unnecessary noise, making it harder to find important information. If you're running software with long sessions or high-volume log generation, it's crucial to know when to stop logging for inactive users. But setting this up properly requires the right tools and configuration. The software we'll be using today makes idle detection and log management simple and efficient. You can set specific idle thresholds. So once a user or process stops interacting for a defined time, it automatically flags or purges those logs. This ensures that only active data stays in your logs and that the excess gets cleaned up. Let me show you how to set it up. First, go to your software settings. Look for a section on log management or idle detection. This is where you can configure the idle detection timer. Generally, this is expressed in minutes. Let's say you set it to 15 minutes. Once a user or process becomes inactive for that amount of time, the software will automatically stop logging or mark that log as inactive. Some systems even offer automatic cleanup of these inactive logs, saving you the time of manually sifting through unnecessary data. Next, decide on your preferred action once the idle time is reached. Some users prefer just flagging those logs as inactive, while others might want them deleted or archived. Depending on your needs, choose the most suitable option. You can always adjust the idle time later based on your system's behavior and how much log data you want to keep. Now here's a tip. Don't set the idle threshold too short. If it's too low, you might end up cutting off legitimate activity. I recommend starting with 10-15 minutes for most scenarios, but always adjust based on what works best for you. You'll want to test this out a bit to find the sweet spot. Once you have idle detection set up, take a look at your logs after a few days. You'll notice that the logs are much cleaner, with only relevant, active data remaining. This improves system performance, saves storage space, and helps you focus on the data that matters. Key takeaway: using idle detection to keep your logs clean is all about finding the right balance between keeping useful information and removing unnecessary clutter. By setting an idle threshold, you can ensure that inactive sessions or processes don't overrun your system with data you don't need. To recap, we covered setting up idle detection, adjusting the idle timer, and choosing your log management strategy. Before we close, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial of the software we've used today, available in the description below. This trial is only for viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.